In a bid to promote brotherliness, oneness, peace and unity among its people, Enugwu village, Adazi, Anocha local government area, has celebrated its 2026 Village Day in grand style. Enugwu Village Day, which is celebrated every first day of the year, is aimed at reminding the people who they are, their roots and identity, and as well as evaluating their performances in the outgone year and mapping out strategies for progress and development, both human and infrastructural, and also showcase the rich cultural heritage of the village for younger generation to understand their inheritance. Amaka Onwuzulike has the details.
In his opening speech, the chairman of Enugwu village, Adazi, Barrister Jidofo Okongu, said that the celebration held every 1st of January, as outlined by the traditional ruler of the community, allows other villages to make up the community to come and celebrate Enugwu village in recognition of its peculiarities, status, and legacies laid down by their forefathers, which makes them outstanding.
Very active. With so many crimes, so many youths, they are only fiber. If I had involved in this my youth, so now let's celebrate ourselves.
One of the women leaders, Mrs. Ogochukwu Nkwoka, said the celebration enables them to come together to share ideas, interact as one family, strengthen unity and togetherness, and remind themselves of who they are and what they must do to achieve progress.
Because your mind together. I am
Amaka Onwuzulike for ABS News.